Hello everyone, welcome to my channel again. So today we will discuss one problem from LeetCode, that is 416 partition equals subset sum. Before going to this problem, I will highly recommend you to watch this video of subset sum equal to k. After that, it is just a 2-3 minutes job to get the solution of this problem. So the problem statement is, given a non-empty array nums containing only positive integers, find if the array can be partitioned into two subsets such that the sum of elements in both subsets are equal. So here is one example. One array is given 1, 5, 11, 5. Here it is returning as true. Why? Because we can divide it into two partition. One will contain
155 and another part will contain 11. So that's why they are both are equal.
divide it into two part where the sums are equal. If you take this example, here no way you can divide it into two equal part where the sum is equal. Because if you take this 5 also, then the left part is 6. If you take 2 and 3, that is 5, then it will become 6. So no way you can divide it into two equal part. So that time we have to return false. Let's take one example and try to understand it more. So here one array is given, and if you check here, the total sum is 22. 1 plus 5 plus 11 plus 5. Now if we have to divide into two part, then one single part will have sum of 11. So 11 plus 11 will form the total array, right? Now if you check here, another array I have taken, here the total sum is 11. If we divide it by 2, means if we have to divide it by two part, then it will become 5.5, right? So which is not a integer, means it is not possible. So one observation we got is, first check we should do is if the total sum of this array elements is a even number or not. Then only we can divide it by 2 and then we can proceed further with this problem. So the first check will be the sum of all the numbers should be even. Now I have taken this array and the total sum is 22. That means we have to divide it into two parts. One is 11, then another part is 11. And if we sum it up, we can get the total array. Now if you look closely, if we can find that this array, out of it I can get the value of 11 or not, means if we add some numbers from this array, then we can form 11 or not, then only we are done, right? And that is exactly this subset sum equal to k problem. Here k you can imagine as 11. So you have to check in this array 11 I can form or not from a subset by summing up their numbers. So we have to just pass this 11 into this numbers, or sorry, this solutions equation, and we are done. So here is the code which I already explained for this subset sum equal to k problem, where we need to pass the array and the sum, actually what we are expecting from this array. So here we have to just pass the total sum by 2. That half of the sum we have to pass in this function, and if it is returning true, then we are done. Now here if we check, I already kept the previous solution in this function where I have to pass the array and the sum. So what I have to do is, now I have to first check the sum. So I will iterate over the array and get the sum in this variable. Then I will check if sum module of 2 is 0 or not, means that is a even or not. If it is even, then I am passing in this function the array and the sum by 2, because we have to just check the half portion is there or not, present or not. Or else it will be returned false, because if the sum is not even, then we can't proceed further. Now just submit it. It is working. Thanks for watching.